Okay, this is the official demo of the APIE teacher tool as of July 24th. This is the landing page. As you would expect, it introduces what APIE is and what it can do. APIE is a complete platform for teachers and educators. It automates nearly every task outside of teaching itself, including instant curriculum planning and worksheet creation. Teachers can generate a wide variety of learning activities, not just multiple choice questions, but also speaking, writing, reading, and many other activity types. Students receive AI-generated feedback immediately after they submit their work. Teachers can also use the platform to build lesson slides. After class, they can view a classroom dashboard that tracks student performance and learning progress. Everything, from student feedback to parent reports, can be managed within a single platform. Here are some examples of the worksheets we've helped teachers generate automatically. After entering a prompt and logging in, you'll arrive at the teacher workspace. Here, our fine-tuned AI model helps teachers create lesson plans based on a selected topic. Every lesson is designed according to CEFR standards and established teaching methodologies. I've previously set the default teaching language to German, so all of the content has been generated in German for German learners. If I want to change anything, I can simply click here. For example, I can switch the generation style. Previously, I used this style, which looks pretty nice, but I can also choose other styles, such as classic. I can even create a custom style. Schools and organizations, for example, can personalize lessons using their own branding, colors, and logos. Here I can also change the language, either the interface language or the language I'm teaching. As you can see, the platform has automatically generated a complete reading comprehension exercise based on the criteria I specified earlier. I can also ask it to create other types of activities. For example, create a B2/B1 level open writing task that requires students to use logical and critical thinking skills to answer questions related to World War II. As you can see, I only need to specify the activity number inside the prompt, so the AI updates only that specific section. Since I've changed both the teaching language to English and the generation style, the result looks noticeably different from the version above. The writing task asks, what can we learn from World War II, and how can these lessons help people protect peace today? So instead of generating a generic summary, it creates a meaningful critical thinking activity. It also suggests an assessment rubric and other supporting materials. I can also ask it to generate a sample answer, highlight key vocabulary, and place the sample answer inside a collapsible toggle section. As you can see, it quickly generated the sample answer inside the toggle. Everything is automatically saved. Once teachers finish creating an activity, they can assign it directly to one of their classes. I've already created 3 classes, so I can simply choose one and assign the activity. Students who have already joined that class will immediately see the assignment, receive a notification, complete the activity, and have their scores automatically tracked and sent back to me. If I copy the invitation link, I can send it to anyone and they'll automatically join my class. I can also preview the activity to see exactly what students will experience. Next, submit. So that's a quick overview of how worksheets can be created automatically. Teachers can also upload their existing materials, such as PDFs or Word documents. As mentioned earlier, API supports many different types of learning activities. Now let's move on to the class management dashboard. First, you'll see my students. On the navigation bar, you can find all of my classes. Within each class, I can view every student. If I want to add more students, I can either send them an invitation link or manually enter their email addresses. For each class, I can assign a curriculum that I've created. Here I have 2 curricula already attached to different classes. Whenever I create new content, students automatically receive access to it, so there's no need to send another invitation link. I can also create a new curriculum here. This is the feedback panel. For each student, I can provide private feedback as well as a separate report for parents. Before writing feedback, I can review all of the students' submissions and overall overall progress, including the assigned curriculum, scores, worksheets, and different activity types such as reading, grammar, and more. This gives teachers the context they need to provide meaningful, evidence-based feedback. In future versions, we'll make this even more detailed by breaking student performance down by individual skills and learning areas.